Okay, so we just have some chicken breast here, some big ones. Go ahead and flip those babies over, just like this. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. My hands are clean. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some tomato paste and a spatula, and we're gonna go ahead and put a nice layer of tomato paste on each of our breasts, just like this. A nice layer. This one could use a little bit more. Okay. This is gonna be so good, you guys. A little bit more on that edge, and we're using this whole can, so you don't have to worry about this cross-contamination that's happening between the can and the chicken, because this whole can is going to use. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna use this whole bag right on top of that tomato paste, just like this. Spread it out. Beautiful. Now it's time for some seasoning. I'm gonna grab some Italian seasoning and sprinkle it on the entire dish. This is gonna be so good and so delicious. Just a quick weekday dinner. You can use the tenderloins if you want it to be even quicker, but I grabbed the breasts today. Beautiful. I'm gonna get some parsley flakes, and you can season this to your liking. I'm just using my favorite like Italian dish seasonings. Look how good that's looking.
It smells phenomenal too.
Yeah, and all that cheese and that tomato paste is just gonna soak into that chicken and be so good. I'm gonna finish off my seasoning with some garlic salt. I love garlic and I love salt, so this is my favorite seasoning. Beautiful. All right, now for the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some pepperoni because these are pizza chicken. Isn't that delicious?
Oh, it's like a chicken parmesan, but literally chicken pizza.
Yeah, with pizza toppings. And there's no breading in there, so it's, you know, less calories. It's literally all the good things about chicken and pizza in one.
Yeah, this is super low carb.
Yeah, it's no carb, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe the seasoning?
Just quickly put your pepperoni on there, and you can do whatever toppings you like, but I love olives with mine, so I'm gonna sprinkle in some olives. It's okay if they fly off because it's just gonna cook with all those juices. Oh yeah.
I wonder how many of your followers like olives.
I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments. Are olives a go or no? All right, and to finish off this beautiful pizza chicken, I have some chopped up bell peppers, because I love bell peppers, and look at that color it adds to the dish. You can't be mad at that.
Those are so nicely cut. Who cut those for you?
You did.
Yeah.
Okay, and just place them here and there so that they cook with that chicken and that cheese for delicious dinner. All right, now this baby is ready. I'm gonna top mine with foil. It's gonna cook for 50 minutes with the foil and 10 minutes without the foil for a total of 60 minutes.
It's cooking it for an hour, essentially.
Yeah, an hour, but you need that foil on there for 50 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and look at that bottom real quick. See those breasts in there? Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. All right, and my oven sits at 350. Would you look at that? It looks so good. Okay, got a little bit of browning from that last 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to try this delicious pizza chicken. Okay. Oh, it's getting nice. Oh, that cheese pull. That's what we want. Doesn't that look so good?
It smells delicious. It looks delicious. I want to see you cut into this.
Okay. Ooh. I'm so excited to try this, you guys. Okay.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's steaming.
It's good.
That is so good, you guys. You gotta try it.